Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. The Higher Education Regulatory Body, which is the University Grants Commission UGC, has issued a list of undergraduate and postgraduate courses that will be offered through the study wave, which is the active learning for young aspiring minds, which is SWAM. Let me go through the details as to the number of courses which has been launched by UGC in NP12 SWAM with respect to the undergraduate and the postgraduate courses. It has been said that almost 83 UG courses and 40 PG courses for non-engineering programs for July-October 2021 semester has already been announced. And all these 83 UG and the PG MOOCs courses will be offered from the SWAM platform, which is swam.gov.in/CEC. So this is the particular web link. I will discuss about the various subjects and papers which are available. The UGC also came up with a detailed notification after recommendation from the various deans and head of institutions from various institutes, and they have announced the same in the official Twitter handle, announcing the 83 UG courses and 40 PG non-engineering MOOCs courses for the semester in July to September. Let me go through the Republic World Report with respect to the UGC's announcement of 83 UG courses and PG courses for July to October semester 2021. So according to the UGC letter, it has been said that in the current scenario of the second wave of the pandemic, the university and the colleges are requested to make optimum use of the SWAM online platform for the benefits of the student learners. The list of 83 UG courses and 40 PG courses and the MOOCs which are ready to be offered on the SWAM platform in July-October semester, that means to say in the odd semester, is enclosed herewith, and the link has been given. And what I said, that there has been an official notification in the Twitter handle of UGC. Secondly, it has also been said that looking at the current pandemic scenario, the university and colleges are requested to popularize this SWAM platform and the courses offered amongst the students as well as the faculties. Now let's understand what are the various courses offered under both UG and PG. So these are the list of courses which are offered under UG. The first column is with respect to the serial number, the discipline, in the sense whether it's from arts, humanities, law, management, science. The entire list has been given. So the second column is with respect to the discipline. The third column is with respect to the degree offered for BA, BSc, BCom. It rather will be all undergraduate program, even inclusive BBA. Then the subject or the paper, and the papers like, say for example, like political science, law, history. The course title, the name of the course coordinator's name also has been given, the designation, belonging to which particular institute, the starting date, the end date. It also has been given the tentative examination date. Say it has been mentioned as 13th and 14th of November, where the tentative examination of this particular SWAM courses will be taken. It has also been given the which particular college or university is providing this particular course, the number of credits associated with this course, as well as the course URL link has been given in order to enroll. So similarly, you will get a list of subjects, discipline, and the course titles, inclusive of the starting date, the end date, the number of credits, the URL link, everything is provided. So I'll just give an example. Say for management students, there are papers related to management studies, business research, business statistics, consumer behavior. So there are papers which are related for management students. So these are the list of papers which are available for UG students. Similarly, these are the list of papers which are also available for PG students, and it's a big list, many number of papers which has been highlighted. Again, it includes the same thing, the discipline, the degree, the subject, who is your trainer or the course title, the name of the course coordinator, start date, end date, as well as the URL also provided, as well as the number of credits. Now for MACOUT students, the university came up with a notification on 28th of January 2021 relating to MOOCs at MACOUT West Bengal, and it has been clearly said that the All India Technical Council has introduced this curriculum, and for Bachelor of Technology with the 160 credit points for 4 years with an additional 20 credits to be required to be achieved through the MOOCs platform, and this additional 20 credits will be acquired from this online MOOCs platform for the AICT students for BTech. How this 20 credits has to be taken into consideration? These 20 credits are classified under the 4 years. 4 to 8 credits for the first to third year, and similarly for fourth year it's only 4 credit points. The university has also given clarification that with respect to that, if it is a 4 weeks course, 4 to 7 weeks course is basically a 1 credit, 8 to 11 weeks course is of 2 credit points, 12 to 15 weeks is 3 credit points, and above 16 weeks or more, it will be a 4 credit point paper. Similarly, for non-AICTE UG program, which is a non-CBCS curriculum, it has been mentioned for first year 4 to 8 credit points, for second year 4 to 8 credit points, as well as for third year 4 credit points has to be collected. So total roughly 16 credit points for MOOCs in addition to the 120 credit points which is required for UG degree, which is a non-AICTE program. The details of the program, even the number of credit for the courses is available in the site itself with reference to each and every paper, and the URL link is also been provided. And for Macau students, it is absolutely mandatory. If you have to get an honors degree with respect to the course which you are doing, you require to do an additional MOOCs program to get additional credit. So this was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, any videos relating to examination, education and other information and news, you will get updated information from this channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you. Take care.